Let's check in on the Rod and Custom Restoration class. Let's meet our instructor, Mr. Saybold. Let's meet his students, Ryan Bricker, Owen Sickles, Jordan Warren.
So this is a 1946 Chevy pickup that was at one point chopped by a previous class, and we are working on welding in new roof skins that we have cut and formed.
Up top, we're welding in these new roof skins that we made. Starting in, just moving around, keeping them cool, trying to keep warpage down, all that good stuff. Next, we're gonna remake this inside of this door frame here, so it's all rotted. So we're just gonna make a new channel that's gonna fit our new roof skin. And then all the way down here, we're gonna do this door jamb, clean that up.
Mr. Hess, one of the instructors here, had said he wanted the truck to have a sinister look to it, where the window frames came down in the center, give it kind of angry sort of look to it.
Custom windshield frame we're doing, we're gonna put a bead roll line down the center. We're gonna lower the front of the hood about an inch. Custom grill, we're gonna integrate these lines back across the hood. Wrap this around the bottom, integrate that engine bay working with the small block Chevy that we have. We have some original headlight buckets that we're gonna use as a model here to build out a headlight bucket that'll kind of follow an airplane-like design. Have open wheeled system, and we've got a custom fabricated bed that's going on it as well. It's all on a hand-built chassis, custom made floor pans. It's all custom, man, that's how we do it.